Good morning. Today we are going to see the third function for which we have to find particular integral. We have seen before this particular integral, that is for e raised to ax. We have seen particular integral for sine ax oblique cos ax. And now we are to the power x to the power m. So today we are going to see for this. And then we will go for combination of the three. So now we have f of d, y is equal to q. We have same for all. Y is equal to q upon f of d. Now let us, we have q that is equal to x to the power m. Then we have x to the power m upon f of d. So x to the power m upon phi of d. So we are going to take constant from this outside, and we have to make this in 1 plus whatever power, whatever terms remained, we have to make in this fashion. Means if I will say we have d square plus 4d plus 4, then what we are going to do here, so we require first term 1. So I will take 4 common, and then in bracket we will be 1 plus, that is d square by 4d upon 4. So we have to bring it in terms of 1 plus x, or we have to bring it in terms of 1 minus x. So we are to be in this fashion. And then we have to take it in numerator. So it becomes minus 1x to the power m. And we have formula for 1 plus x and to the power minus 1 and 1 minus x to the power minus 1. And by using this formula, you can see we have 1 upon 1 plus x, we will take 1 plus x to the power minus 1. So if we have plus here, minus here, then we have alternate term, first plus, second minus, third plus, fourth minus, likewise. And if we have both minus, this minus, power minus, so minus minus plus, we have all terms. In this case we have plus. So likewise, we have to solve these problems related with x to the power m. Now we will take one problem in this. So let us, we have d square plus 4d plus 4 into y. So we will write this by red pen. Be habitual, your notes should be proper, so that whenever we are going to study, we have to see it. Otherwise, we are writing in such a fashion that again we are not interested to see this. So we have d square plus 4d plus 4y, and that is equal to x square. So now we have to find both, that is complementary function and particular integral. Now for complementary function, we have to make auxiliary equation, and we have auxiliary equation m square plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. And from this we will get m plus 2 whole square, that is equal to 0. And therefore we have m is equal to minus 2 minus 2. And then knowing this value, so we can write it, that is m, or I can say m1 we have minus 2, m2 we have minus 2. So m we have minus 2 minus 2. And then we can write complementary function. So we have complementary function yc, now we will write hence after, equal to e raised to minus 2x, sorry, okay, in bracket c1 plus c2x, because we have this as a real and equal. And whenever we have real and equal, so you can write like this, or you can write C1 plus C2x before C1 plus C2x, and then e raised to minus 2x. And likewise, we can find complementary function. Now we will go with particular integral. So we have next particular integral. So particular integral. So we will write it as yp. Now we have this is equal to 1 upon d square plus 4d plus 4, and that is x to the power 2. Now we have to make it in terms of 1 plus, so we will take 4 outside. So if we will take 4 outside, then this 4 becomes 1 plus remaining part we will write in other bracket. So d square plus 4d upon 4, and that is x square. Now we will take this in numerator. So we have 1 by 4 in bracket 1 plus d square plus 4d upon 4 and to the power minus 1 x square. So now we know what is formula for 1 plus x to the power minus 1. So if plus minus, so we have alternate. So we have 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube likewise. Now till what we require these terms. So we have x to the power 2. So we have to take d to the power 2 terms, because we have x square. So derivative of x square, we have 2x, and derivative of 2x, we have 2. So if we will go d cube of x cube, then it becomes 0. So we require only 2 till d square. So now if we will solve this, so what we will get 1 by 4 in bracket 1 minus, we have d square plus 4d upon 4, then plus we have d square plus 4d upon 4 to the power 2. And third term, if we will see, we have d square plus 4d upon 4 to the power 3. So when we will go to the power 3, then you can see if we will take d square plus 4d and power 3. So what we will get? So we will get d to the power 6, that is x cube, plus 3 into x square means 4 into 4d, plus we have 3 into d square, that is x, into 4d square, and last term will be 64d to the power cube. So here we have more than d square, so this term is not required. So we have only these two terms for this example. And now if we will go, we have 1 by 4. Now I will take this inside. So x square, multiply x square to all terms. Then we have 1 by 4. Or you can write x square by 4. D square plus 4d. Then plus x square by 16. So we have this as a square. In bracket we have d square we have 4 plus 2ab. So 2ab. So a is d square. So 2 into ab plus b square. Now this is greater than d cube, d square. This is also greater than d square. So we have only this. So this 16 gets cancelled. And now we can solve this equal to 1 by 4 in bracket x square as it is minus now d square with x square. So we can write d square by 4x square and then minus d into this 4. So 4x square upon 4. So we are multiplying this d square plus 4d to this x square by 4. And then plus last term we have, that is x square, or I can write it as d square x square. So we have likewise, now we will take derivative. So we have 1 by 4 which is common for all. So equal to 1 by 4. First term is as it is, which is x square. Now in second terms we have d square x square. So what value we will get? So now we will find both values. So if I will write here d square x square, so first d we will get it as 2x and second d we will get it as 2. So d square x square is 2 and d of x square, that is equal to 2x. So we will substitute these values. So we have d square upon 4x square. So we have this value becomes d square x square is 2. So we have minus 2 upon 4. Then we have next, that is minus d of 4x square upon 4. So d of x square is 2x. So 4 into 2x minus 4 into 2x upon 4. Or you can cancel also this 4 over here. So now we have written over there, so it's okay. Otherwise, you can cancel over here. And plus d square x square. So we have seen for this d square x square, we have this value as 2. So we have plus 2. And then from this you can see we have 1 by 4 in bracket x square minus 1 by 2. This 2 gets cancelled with these 2. So this is 1 by 2. Then minus this 4 gets cancelled. So we have minus 2x plus 2. And then if you solve this, then we have x square by 4. Then minus, so this 4 we are taking inside, x by 2. And this minus 1 by 2 plus 2, this becomes 3 by 2. Because we will take LCM 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. And then we have plus 3 by 8. So this is particular integral of this problem. And then if we will write a solution of this, then we have solution of this. So solution we have yc plus yp. And then we have yc, we have c1 plus c2 x e to the power minus 2x plus yp, we have x square by 4 minus x by 2 plus 3 by 8. So this is solution of the differential equation. So these three functions we can solve by using this simple method. So now we will stop here only. Remaining part we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.